I want to show you these Jess Luna antique brass cabinet pulls. I've looked at a lot of these and I want to show you what makes these a little bit different and a little bit more leveled up, if you will. A lot of them have just sort of like the knob stuck on the bar part here, and then it just kind of smooths into a circle. This actually has a bevel right here. So there's an extra bevel there where you can see more of the vintage antiqued look to this. There's also a bevel on the back side of the knob here. You can see that detail up close there. This just makes for like a really nice, modern, sleek look. I love the shape of this. It's almost like a cone shape. Also a nice sheen to this. Again, this is the antique brass. We've got these all over here in this modern farmhouse butler pantry. Similar looking pulls on all of the drawer handles. Look at that really lovely sheen as it catches the natural light.